Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make collagen cream at home. Making your own collagen cream offers several fantastic benefits for your skin. You gain full control over the ingredients, ensuring a pure and natural product. This can lead to improved skin elasticity and a reduction in the appearance of fine lines, giving you a more youthful glow. Plus, it's a budget-friendly alternative to store-bought options. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 tablespoon of high-quality collagen powder, which is the star of our cream. Next, prepare 2 tablespoons of a nourishing carrier oil, such as jojoba or sweet almond oil. 3 tablespoons of distilled water or rose water will form the hydrating base. Finally, 1 teaspoon of emulsifying wax is crucial for blending everything smoothly. Now, let's mix your cream. First, gently heat your carrier oils and emulsifying wax in a double boiler until melted. In a separate heat-safe bowl, warm your distilled water. Once both are warm, slowly pour the water mixture into the oil mixture, whisking continuously until it starts to thicken. Finally, stir in your collagen powder and any optional essential oils. Proper storage ensures your cream stays fresh. Transfer your finished collagen cream into a clean, airtight container, preferably dark glass. Store it in a cool, dark place or even the refrigerator to extend its shelf life. For application, simply use a small amount on clean skin each morning and evening. For optimal benefits, aim to use your homemade cream within 2 to 3 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.